Well, that's our show. I gotta say it again. Well, that's our show. Stay tuned for next time from Simmer to Sizzle.
Do it again. Re-rack it.
Okay.
Do it again.
Well, that's our show. Stay tuned for next time.
Do it again.
Okay.
Turn around. See what
Oh my gosh, Dave. What are you doing up
Told
there?
you, 5-year-old.
Why is he up there?
He's in that job.
we'll have to clean off that counter before we.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you get down, you
Moron.
moron? With my permission. Any word you want.
It's okay, I have 3 older brothers. 2 or 3, whatever you call them.
Did you lose count, Nikki?
I don't know, I'm adopted, so.
You're gonna cut out some of this.
Almost all of it.
Right, and if you want, Nick, you can talk about the great vegetables that are in there that you're probably not going to eat.
So I'm probably not going to eat any of these, but... See,
Take it again.
I lose my words. That's my problem. If I wasn't on camera, I'd talk all the time. And then you'd be like, shut up, Nick. Oh, that'd be really scary to do a video in front of. I'm just not getting used to that thing.
Clap.
Louder!
Hit her. Oh.
Anyway.
That was you last time. You gotta take that out.
We'll see.
Do not keep that part in.
Okay.
Please.
Okay. I cut it.
No. That was you last time with the steak.
Just like with all the other stuff we've done frying, you can do it in.
Oops.
Keep going.
All right.
You didn't hear that.
He's probably starting it.
Yeah, I take it out and then we'll put it back in. Just like that.
No. Or you can just put the other one in.
Oh,
Right.
I do that.
That we have room
They
for
can
that.
both go at the same time.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me when you're ready.
Oh, it's over here now. All right.
Ask one a little bit.
Okay. Okay.
Did you choke?
Yeah.
Jacob?
Holy
He's
hell.
alright.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, cut that out. You scared the heck out of me.
Oh my god.
That's why
I
I'm
was
starting
gonna
to have
have
an
the
issue.
Heimlich.
I just turned around and his face was red. I'm like, is he okay?
That was funny.
I'm like, okay,
Okay.
it's hot.
So, yeah, it's hot.
Yeah, it's
but
hot.
Smaller bites.
Yeah,
Okay.
you are a big chewer. You always take.
He's always
a
taking
bite.
them.
Okay,
That's
let's
why
do it
I'm just
again,
trying
Nick.
to
This
cut-
time, let's not choke. Okay.
Right. Also, since you're going back to it, talk about your seasoning you did after you take it out of the oil.
TikTok. They stopped TikTok, I guess.
No, they didn't.
Didn't the
No.
president said he was
Not
gonna
yet.
He's going to
stop
sign an
it?
executive order.
He
Silly.
is silly.
Didn't we already start rolling?
Yes, he did.
Yeah, I did. Okay.
Not taking away my TikTok.
Okay, got a hole. There. Now when you cut it in half, and then you can cut it any way you want for the slice that you're going to need for your drink.
Okay, is it camera back on?
Yep, we're ready
You can't clap. It doesn't count.
Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't work.
now. Okay.
That was a good one. All right, that's it. Then we shake it up.
That'll be on outtake reel.
Jacob.
It's okay. The lid stayed on. So we're good. That's in your blooper reel.
Got away from me there.
Oh my gosh. That would have been really bad. Ooh, it's pretty. Mine's not that pretty. So this is now my channel.
This is your chance
Yeah.
to shine.
They're over there.
Sizzle.
Yeah. I don't have anything else to say. Ask me some questions, Amy.
Sure. Okay.
Interview me.
So, yeah. How was the pork?
The pork was good. It was a little cold, but I mean, it just came out of the fridge, so like, duh.
Any spice to it?
Not really. I think it was pretty good.
Good.
Yeah.
Do you like spice?
Yeah, a little bit. It's okay.
Spice girl.
None of this is gonna be in there. Got any other questions
Oh, sure.
for Sizzle?
Yeah.
Yep.
What was your favorite drink you made so far?
Wait. We've made a lot of good drinks. I was gonna say the one with the shimmer in it. With the
Last
apple?
week, right?
Yeah, that was
Sure.
really good.
That was yummy with the apple slice.
That was probably my favorite. Probably.
Truly don't even remember what it was.
I don't, but it was good.
Right.
You just gotta rewatch the video if you wanna make it.
I will. Because I'll
Yeah.
have fake Nick.
Huh? I made it.
It was the
Just
fake
you can
Aperol
leave it back there
Spritz.
if you
That's
want.
Oh yeah,
what
that's
it
what.
was. Oh, Nick, you can just see my cute dog.
Did we roll the whole time?
Yeah, dog?
Yeah.
Where?
All right.
Dogs.
Kept it going. So what you can do, since we have to edit
Aw.
it out
Please,
anyway.
I'll just cut to that.
Bon
Right.
appetit. Stay
but
possum.
then
That's so
um,
cute. I love
Bring
it.
your rolls up front.
Yep.
Oh. I didn't think I was gonna do that. Blooper.
Wait. Did you want to do that snap thing, the snap transition?
Yeah. Ready.
All right. So we're gonna snap and like.
No, we're not gonna tell
We
them
gotta,
that.
we gotta explain what's happening.
No,
We
we
gotta
just
set up the
snap.
transition.
Just go, we'll see you tomorrow.
All right.
See you tomorrow. You didn't do it.
Okay, do it again.
Well, first we're gonna clap and then we're gonna snap.
Snap.
And then after we snap, I'm gonna be like, we're back!
All right, we're back.
But we didn't really go anywhere. Except we did.
Went home. What are you gonna start?
I'm gonna say, we're back! And we're ready. No, we're back. I'll be like, no, we're back!
And then you're like, and then I don't know what we're doing.
Now it's time to get started with the hash brown casserole. We put it in the oven, you know. We didn't do it just yet, but we're not gonna show you that part. See, this is why I don't talk.
You do.
Yeah.
Oddly enough, you do.
No.
Getting weird.
Hey!
We're gonna have fun listening to that audio.
All right.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. And we have our coleslaw. Oh shit!